In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find compatible and best games for your device if you are on Roblox. So let's say I'm using a mobile phone and I want to play Roblox with my mobile phone now. Let me show you guys how you can find games that you can play smoothly on your mobile phone. So you move to your chat here. So chat to find the games. You can see these are popular games here. So I tap on this here, which is the popular one, and then I choose entry level mobile phone, which is for entry level mobile phone. So I think my mobile phone is a standard one. That's why automatic has been set to this. My RAM is I think 6 gig or 4 gig. So these are the standard ones. So when I play these type of games on my mobile phone here on Roblox, it's going to run smoothly. But then if I choose this, if I come here and then I choose a game for computer, it's not going to run smooth. You get it? Because I'm going to require a lot of graphics and the rest. So let me choose this. And now let me come here. So standard phones, I can play any of these games and it's going to play smoothly on my mobile phone. So that's it on how you can find the best and compatible games on Roblox. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.